Hey guys, check it out. We have an all-new SDCC exclusive regarding Hot Wheels RacerVerse Marvel Superhero Secret Wars. Now, this was sent by Mattel, so big special thanks to Mattel for sending over this free product review. I had to say that. Anyways, moving on, pretty cool looking casing here. Kind of shows a lightning thunderbolt kind of deal. As you kind of rotate it on the back here, talks a lot about the history of Secret Wars. Other than that, that's about it. Let's open it up. Ooh, shiny. I like shiny. Now on the back side here, it has a little bit of a cool looking display. It says Hot Wheels RacerVerse. You can use it as a display. And then looking at the actual car, so they sent us not Venom, it is SpiderMan. And I believe they also have another one too, Wolverine. But yeah, anyways, this is pretty cool. So it's got a holographic display, really cool looking casing. And then you have this very unique coin that, ooh, it actually switches between Spider-Man and Peter Parker. I can do that all day. So pretty interesting, nice looking token. And then of course you have Spider-Man doing one of these numbers. And then it is the 40th anniversary, which is pretty cool. And then on the back side here, there it is, there's Wolverine. Ooh, they didn't send us that one. But I do like Spider-Man more. Just a little side thing. Anyways, over here it talks about a little bit of a comic book. I got some different like pictures there, cool stuff. And yeah, I mean, it's actually a really cool looking display. And oh, there you go. This slides open like that. So this is the card. Let's take this guy out. All right. Ooh, okay. All right. Here's our little token. Whoa! All right, and then our little car. Whoa, it's like a little buggy. All right, and you got a little glass, Spider-Man. These things are really collectible. I got some off-road tires, the bottom side there. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. Big special thanks to Mattel for sending this over. Be sure to check out the next video.